Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Slack workspace. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using, and then simply go ahead and search for slack.com right over here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is make sure that you're logged in, and there's going to be a new workspace button. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you're going to be taken to this page right over here. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and tell you to go ahead and click on open Slack. So I'm just going to simply go ahead and use the Slack on my browser to go ahead and create it. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and name your Slack browsers or Slack workspace. So let's just say work, click on next. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter your name, click on next. And now you can simply go ahead and add your colleagues by their email if you want to. So let's just say I'm going to go ahead and add one of mine. And once you've done that, simply click on that and then click on next. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and start with limited free version. And there you go. Your Slack workspace is created. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.